Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to St. Vincent Pallotti School, Besa, Nagpur. I am Miss Sylvia, and today I am going to teach you English grammar. Okay? And in English grammar, I am going to teach you singular and plural nouns. Okay? So, in the previous video, also, we have studied one and more than one. Okay. For example, in the first picture, there is only one cow. Okay. And in the second picture, there are more than one. Okay. So, we have to say them cows. Okay. We have to add S when there are more than one. Understood? This we have studied in the previous video. Yes or no? Yes. Now, for example, in the first picture, there is only one apple. So, we have to say it apple. Okay. And in the second picture, there are more than one apple. So, we have to say them apples. Okay. We have to add S and apple will become apples. Understood? Okay. So now here we have to solve some examples. Like question B. Drop S from these words and make words which stand for one thing. Okay. So here plural words are given. Okay. And you have to remove S from it and make it singular, that is one thing. For example, first one, P-I-N-S, pins. So what you have to do, you have to remove S from it and it will become pin. Okay. Second word is B-A-T-S, bats. When you will remove S from it, it will become bat. Third word is hats. When you will remove S from it, it will become hat. Understood? So, in the same way, you have to solve the rest of the examples. Okay. Now see, question C. Tick the correct words. So, you have to look at the picture and tick the correct word. Okay. So, in the first picture, what you can see? Whose picture it is? It is a picture of bottle. Okay. So, how many bottles are there? There are 3 bottles. That is more than 1. So, which word you will tick? Bottle or bottles? You will tick bottles. Understood? See the second picture. What you can see? How many glasses are there? Yes, there are 3 glasses. So, which word you will tick? You will tick glasses. That is, second box you will tick. Understood? Now, see the third picture. What you can see? A flag. Okay. So, which word is correct? Flag or flags? Yes, you will tick flag. That is, first box you will tick. Understood? So, in this way, you have to solve the second column also. See the next question. That is question D. Look at these pictures, add ES to the naming words and fill in the blanks. Okay. So, in the first picture, you can see one box. And in the second picture, there are so many boxes. So, what you have to add? You have to add ES. Not only S, but ES. So, it will become 2 boxes. Understood? For example, see. In the first picture, there is only one box. And in the second picture, there are so many boxes. So, we have added es. Understood? See the second picture. It is of tomato. What you have to add? You have to add es to tomato. Then it will become tomatoes. Understood? Then next picture is of candy. What you have to add? es. It will become candies. Next picture is of book. Here you have to add only s. It will become books. Understood? So, in this way you have to solve these examples. For example, see first one, it is one potato. Then after adding es, it will become 4 potatoes. Understood? See, next one is one glass. After adding es, it will become 3 glasses. Understood all of you? How to fill in the blanks? Okay. So in this chapter we have studied that singular means one of something. Okay. And plural means more than one. Understood all of you? Thank you.